Hi guys, welcome to the Thailand Mice Product Update. My name is Nitin Sajdeva, India representative for Thailand Convention and Exhibition Bureau. Today I have with me Mr. Ranjit Vishwanathan, who is the Commercial Director for Hilton Phuket Arcadia. Thank you so much, Ranjit, for joining for this meeting. I would request you to give a quick update on the property.
Thanks, Nitin, for giving me the opportunity to talk to your audience about Hilton Phuket Arcadia. I've been in this resort handling sales and marketing for about 2 years. A quick update on the hotel. Hilton Phuket Arcadia is 662 room property spread across 75 acres of land. We have about 7 buildings that make up the 600 plus rooms, half of which are actually twin rooms. The hotel is about a 60-minute ride from the airport, and we have multiple meeting space. It's one of the most integrated meeting venues in Phuket, I would say, with a pillarless ballroom, which is almost 9,000 square feet, and also available to you are 11 different meeting spaces in and around the hotel. We also have a marquee that can take up to 2,000 bags, weather permitting, of course. This is an open air venue.
Great, thanks for that update. How about the Indian food? Do you have Indian chef in-house and can cater to all kinds of Indian food requirements?
Yes, actually, Nitin, thanks for asking that. We do have 2 Indian chefs in-house who are here on a full-time basis. They actually cook breakfast on a daily basis for our breakfast buffet. Also, we have Indian food in our room service as well as our a la carte menu. These Indian chefs always engage with Indian clientele or clientele that requires Indian food, and they're definitely well versed with the different requirements, whether it's regional cuisine or if it's special meals that the client might require.
Thanks, Ranjit, for that update. I wanted to ask you more about the location. Where exactly is Hilton Phuket Arcadia located, and how that location helps people to access the nightlife and entertainment zone and other attractions around in Phuket?
As you know, there are a couple of different beaches that are very popular in Phuket. Kata, Karon, and Patong are the 3 most important beaches and most beautiful. Hilton Phuket Arcadia is actually located right in front of the Karon beach. Patong, which is the hub of entertainment and activity, clubs, bars, shopping, is actually a 15-minute drive away. A 30-minute drive from the hotel will take our customers to entertainment venues such as Siam Pyramid or any of the entertainment venues, or even Phuket town is about a 20-minute ride from here.
Great. Ranjit, can you highlight the experiences that you have added on to groups as a property, as an events team when you work with the organizer?
2 events really come to mind. You know, most of the event planners and MICE agents that come, they normally have a pre-planned activity for the team. However, there were 2 events where one of them wanted to do an activity for team building on the beach for 800 people. Luckily, we had access to government agencies where we can get permission to do that, and also a local company that does specific corporate team building activities. So we were able to connect all of them together so they get this experience. The other one would be one where the guest wanted to do a CSR activity but would not have much information on what they could do. So my team in events worked with the HR team of the hotel to identify an activity which would actually help them. And they ended up creating as a team garbage bins that were put in front of our hotel next to the beach because they noticed that that was lacking, and we still use our staff to go empty that for them.
Great. I think these are great value additions that every organizer is looking for. Thank you so much, Ranjit, for actually updating such important information, and I'm sure everybody watching will be highly educated on the property.
Thanks, Nitin, for the opportunity, and I do have a short video which will probably sum up all of the discussion points we had and also let people know what to expect when they actually come to our resort.
Perfect. Let's have a look at the video. Absolutely right, Ranjit. The video sums up everything that you mentioned. I would like to thank you once again for joining us for this meeting and educating us with Hilton Phuket Arcade.
Thank you, Nitin. I am based on the island and in the resort, so I look forward to meeting guests when they come to the hotel.
If you want more information about Hilton Phuket Arcadia and want group support for your groups coming into Thailand, please contact me on the email ID below and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up with you soon.